My friends know me for being obsessed with fitness and probably think that I eat healthy food all the time, but the truth is I've been snacking on this caramel popcorn from Werther's Originals because it just tastes so good. As a health conscious person, admittedly I cannot endorse this as a healthy snack because of course it is caramelized popcorn. It is 140 calories, not high in any macronutrients except for carbohydrates, and of course contains a pretty sizable amount of sugar. But also as a health conscious person who understands how to balance exercise and nutrition and have a healthy relationship with food, I think that this is an awesome treat that you can have to treat yourself and enjoy a little bit of sweetness in your life. In fact, I grew up eating a lot of different confectionaries from Werther's Originals as a kid and enjoy candy and ice cream and other sweet treats like that on the regular. At the end of the day, if you pursue fitness in a holistic manner, and especially as you move along different parts of your fitness journey, then things are not always about building lots of muscle mass, losing lots of fat, or building an insane amount of cardiovascular endurance or flexibility, but it does always involve happiness. So treat yourself to some Werther's Original caramel popcorn today because you should make life your favorite movie.